So welcome back, dear students. We are discussing the select command with database school and table student academic and fees. As I told you in previous video, we will discuss about patterns. Conditions we made by where clause, criteria we made by where clause with different type of patterns, we can say, as we use range, we use list, and this is the patterns. All these things, सारी चीजें जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं, all these things are used to extract the conditional data from the table. टेबल से बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट रिक्वायर्ड डेटा ही हम एक्सेस कर पाए, which is our need. इसके लिए we are using different type of patterns. We are using ranges, we are using lists, and many more things. So patterns we are using this time. We have discussed about between clause to create the range. We have discussed about in clause to create the lists. Here now the patterns. To create the patterns, we use like operator. Right? Patterns means templates. हम एक टेम्पलेट क्रिएट करेंगे which is to be matched with the table data. तो like वर्ड्स होना चाहिए. जैसा मैंने पैटर्न क्रिएट किया है, ठीक वैसा ही डेटा मुझे मिलना चाहिए जिस टेबल में, और टेबल में जिस प्लेस पर सेम लाइक डेटा मिलेगा, द डेटा विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. सो to create like type of data, we use this like operator. And to create the patterns, we use two symbols. One is percent symbol and other one is underscore symbol. The percent symbol matches any substring, and underscore matches one character. Keep remember, percent matches with any substring, string पर काम करता है, and underscore always represents one character at a time. इसको और अच्छे से समझने के लिए we are writing some of the examples here. Suppose मुझे वो सारे स्टूडेंट्स का रिकॉर्ड प्रिंट करना है जिनका नेम ए से शुरू होता हो. सॉरी फॉर द इंटरप्शन. तो व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग, मुझे वो सारे रिकॉर्ड्स प्रिंट करने हैं जिनका नाम ए से स्टार्ट होता. सो वी कैन राइट द स्टेटमेंट सेलेक्ट एस्ट्रिक्स फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट वेयर नेम लाइक दिस लाइक कीवर्ड, बिकॉज नेम इज ए स्ट्रिंग. तो जो हम पैटर्न तैयार करेंगे, दैट पैटर्न विल बी रिटन एज स्ट्रिंग. A percent. Try to understand this one. A percent. A percent in the sense, अब A is written capital, so it will search for capital A in the starting. Please remember, data is case sensitive. A is the starting character of the name, first character of the name, and percent means any substring, rest of the string. The condition we made, the pattern we created, the name must be started with capital A, rest anything. Is that clear? The name must be started with capital A, rest anything. Second case we can create. The name must be ended with small a. My condition is कि name जो है वो end होता वो small a पे. So we can write here like percent A, last character must be small a, it should be matched, rest of the string, rest anything, मीन्स स्ट्रिंग में लास्ट कैरेक्टर मस्ट बी ए एंड rest anything. We can place the condition like a percent a. What does it mean? It means first character must be capital A, last character must be small a, and rest anything in between. Means परसेंट सिंबल वेयर वी आर गोइंग टू प्लेस, जहां पर भी मैं परसेंट सिंबल को प्लेस कर रहा हूं, दैट परसेंट सिंबल रिजेंबल्स रेस्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग. जो पैटर्न मैंने क्रिएट किया, दैट पैटर्न विल बी टेस्टेड इन द टेबल डेटा. नेम कॉलम की हम बात कर रहे हैं. द पैटर्न विल बी टेस्टेड इन द कॉलम डेटा एंड द सेम पैटर्न हियर फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर मस्ट बी ए. तो जो भी नाम कैपिटल ए से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं वो सारे नाम के रिकॉर्ड प्रिंट हो जाने. Second is last character must be small a. Doesn't matter what the first character is. Last character is small a होना चाहिए. वो सारे names और उनका सारा data asterisk is placed. वो सारे records display होंगे जिनका नाम small a से end होता है. In third situation, the name must be started with capital A and ended with small a. तो वो सारे names जिनका name capital A से start होता हो और small a पे end होता हो. Then all the records will be displayed. So we use the asterisk named pattern in different situations. Not only in name, within other attributes we can use. तो asterisk एक पैटर्न क्रिएट कर रहा है used for strings, जिस पैटर्न के मैच करने पर आपको रिकॉर्ड डिस्प्ले होगा. Now look at underscore. Underscore is used to represent one character at a time. जैसे select asterisk from student where name like A look at it. What I written? A and 5 underscores. It means the name must be started by capital A and it must have 6 characters. More than 6 characters name अगर कोई होगा जो कि कैपिटल ए से स्टार्ट हो रहा होगा, that will not be treated. So मैंने क्या किया, नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स डिफाइन किए. The name must be started with capital A and should have 6 characters. Here we can also write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 underscores. All the names contains 5 character name will be executed here. 1 underscore represents 1 character. तो वो सारे नेम जिनकी लेंथ 5 कैरेक्टर्स है वो डिस्प्ले होंगे. Here in this case first character must be A. ठीक है, and rest 5 characters. Here also the same situation we can place. A first character must be capital A, last character must be small a, and in between 5 characters. Means total length 7 characters होनी चाहिए. So patterns we can create. We can create number of patterns by using this underscore or by asterisk. Keep remember, asterisk is used for the rest of the string. Asterisk means percentage. This percentage is used for rest of the string and underscore is used for single character. Is that clear? So we can create the patterns. Patterns are used with like keyword, like operator, and 2 patterns are there as percentage and underscore. Percentage symbol represents rest of the string and underscore symbol represents 1 character at a time. So do practice of this part also. Okay, these are the methods to create the conditions, to create the criteria, to extract the record from the table. We'll discuss further topics with select command in further videos.